Hey beautifuls!
Today we're going to be doing the best friend tag challenge.
And the best friend tag, just in case you guys didn't know, is where you take 5 questions. You could do more if you want. And then you ask your best friend and see if they can get it right and see how well they know you. Later on, we're probably going to do this again.
Yeah, and probably do like a consequence, like
Yeah, if we get it wrong.
get something to report on us.
That's when we get more popular or something, you know. But until that, like when that day comes, comment down below on this video. What do you guys think we should either pour, eat on each other, or like do something, like something, I don't know. It can't be anything to get us arrested. Okay, so we'll start. We have written down our 5 questions. So yeah, honey, go first.
Okay, so if I could have anything in the world, what would it be?
Money, diamonds, how do you spell
On the crowded streets
my
below,
name?
it's going to be a hot night tonight.
L-Y-N?
Yeah, she can't spell my name just for life. So I put that on there.
I'm bad with spelling. Okay, what is my favorite color?
Pink.
Yeah.
Who is my best guy friend? Yeah.
Okay. Where would I go if I could go anywhere?
Paris. Really? You never told me that. Which teacher do I hate?
Mr. Trumplin.
Yeah.
What's my favorite things to do outdoor? Like one or two.
Hiking.
Yeah.
I'm just going out riding horses.
Yeah.
Really?
I put camping, but I like
Oh.
riding horses too.
Okay. What's my favorite game?
Oh.
Like on the computer. I was just playing it.
I don't know the name. Oh my
I
god.
was literally playing this game.
Okay,
a few minutes
It's
ago.
like Boo something.
No. I mean, it has to do with that.
Planet.
Well,
Planet.
that's kind of it.
Planet Boo. I don't know.
Movie Star Planet.
Oh.
Your turn.
What are my favorite things to do? Like I'm shopping.
Shopping. I was literally gonna say shopping, but then I'm like, no, she doesn't. Okay, what's my favorite color? There's 2.
That color. And gray. I was gonna say gray or black.
So yeah. Also comment down below like questions you want us to ask each other. We'll do like a Q&A or something. I don't know. So yeah. Bye.
Here are some bloopers, but
Yeah. So yeah. Oh.
what is my favorite color?
Hold on, I gotta pee. I really gotta pee.
Oh my God.
God.
Dude. So are we gonna start the video yet?
It's already on.
Oh.
Did you just flip me off?
No, I went like that.
What is my favorite game?
Oh, dude, that felt so nice.
You too.
Let it
Turn it
go.
off. I think I broke something.
So, just want to say, you guys are beautiful.
Thumbs up this video. Comment down below.
And subscribe.
Yeah, you gotta tap that subscribe button. Just tap.
Yeah, we don't know how to put it in here though. We can't do that magical thing.
We're not that talented, see? I thought it was gonna come out. Oh my gosh. We are not talented, okay guys? So yeah, thanks for watching and stay beautiful.
Bye.